The stricken shoreline around the Dead Sea reveals cracked and parched earth where the water once lapped between Jordan, the West Bank and Israel. But scientists say this body of water, the lowest point on Earth, is now diminishing with such speed, losing nearly 1.5 meters every year in depth, it could almost disappear by 2050. The Dead Sea has been shrinking at an alarming rate for decades, and to give you an idea of how fast it's been happening, this is a tide mark on the ground, and you can see in the space of 12 months how far the water receded up to here, and then in the space of another year all the way over here. Now, of course, this was a long time ago because that's where the Dead Sea is now, nearly 1 mile away. An expanding population in a region of water shortages and poor management are to blame. Factories in the south evaporating water to extract minerals add to this man-made story of destruction. And the signs of nature's anger are everywhere. Sinkholes span the shoreline, making much of the area inaccessible. This resort now closed off because of the danger.
We are standing inside basically ground zero. We are standing where the earth swallows you.
Ecologists monitoring the environment here say what's happening is catastrophic.
If you keep on taking fresh water from nature, from the Sea of Galilee or from the Euphrates, for example, we will eventually ruin the local environment. We are standing where we can learn the first lesson of we can't exploit all the water the way we want to. We need to take care of nature as well, or else we will all sink with it.
This area is a major tourist attraction. Visitors bob in the salty, unctuous waters, which are said to have healing properties. But behind this image of tranquility, there lurks the Middle East's deep conflicts. If this natural wonder is to be restored, environmentalists say there'll need to be more trust and far greater regional cooperation to meet the thirsty requirements of everyone.
Manufacture more water in the Mediterranean, produce renewable energy in the desert areas, and create healthy interdependencies amongst us, Israelis, Palestinians, Jordanians first, or we're going to see potentially more conflict arising out of these increasingly scarce water resources.
The Dead Sea is in many ways a gauge of the health of the environment. Efforts to revive it may help unify the region, but equally, if they fail, it will be a sign that water security will become an even more toxic issue in the future. Alex Rossi, Sky News.